with our zero grazing, you can have 80 cows, freezer cows there. So that this is one. Atete chiwademire okumanya kwihombisi eshano omukambi gona kwihamu gashogona omumatakaganya. The other mistake is when the head of the family dies. Wealth fragmentation through inheritance. When the head of the family dies, the children descend on the wealth like H.E.Gen. Abana ni H.E.Gen. But for into Babinuyo, they are like white ants, the children. Then the women bring only Azara Moman, we are not. When you see the scene when someone has died, it's so disgusting. Because of the dairy industry in the rural areas, these people you see here, these are not from this area. Many of them are from other parts of Uganda. This whole town is full of other Ugandans. Abana Uganda whatever akaruo working. But now, okay, what are you the chairman?
We're generous for the transformation of this country. There is no doubt. And whether you are retired or still serving officer, we appreciate. And you should go home, rest happy, knowing what you did for this country is not a simple job.
Nturia, ntunywa, tujoyirege, habe mpunguka, ebyo byona n'obwire bwa His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Nekyo kusiimira ataano.
When you visited us, General Ashande and the team, and we want to thank the Defense and UPDF for this rather late but very fundamental consideration to celebrate Tarehe Sita in Kazo and this area. When you visited us, we counted one by one, and the time could not allow us to complete the list that came from Kazo to start this struggle. And one of the officers remarked that now he understands that there wouldn't have been NRA without Kazo in the picture. That is the county that I represent. Today, not being the day of speeches, and not being my day, we shall have further engagements on what we would expect and what we would wish to get and how we would wish to engage with you, Defense and UPDF. For now, we thank you for the consideration and we look forward to the further engagements. May God bless you and a happy 2024. Thank you very much.
Because we have already paid us, you can see what is happening here. The last year, Tarehe Sita gave us, really, you paid us at least 70% of what we demand from government. Because we built schools, hospitals, and now this monument is not, it's not a change of guards, it's a fundamental change in our history of this district.